Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. My food should be all done. Let me get my ribs out the oven. Here's my cornbread on deck. Okay. Let's see how they're looking. Look at there, look at there. The ribs. Look at that. Look at that tender that meat is. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is add the barbecue sauce. Now this is the sauce here I'm using. I got this at Kroger's, you guys. I pinched my doggone finger. Y'all would have heard me cuss if y'all was somewhere around. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to do half of these in barbecue sauce, and the rest of them I'm going to leave plain. So I'm going to put sauce on these, and I'm going to put them back in the oven. Look at that. Meat come right off the bone. Right off the bone. Look at that. Bone. So I hope your Sunday is going well. Mine is going good so far. Besides, I pinched my damn finger. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little barbecue sauce on these guys and put them back in the oven. And let me see, I guess I'll do one more. Look at that. Another bone come off. Slide them over there. Let me try it, you guys. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Look at all of these bones. Look at that. Woo, hot. Put some of this on here. On the other ones, it's sweet baby Ray. Hot. Okay. So those are my ribs. Okay, I left those two plain, and those are my ribs. Ooh, here's my greens on deck. They are done. And my, ouch, cornbread. So I'm going to get these bad boys back in the oven and let that sauce marinate. And I should be ready to eat by 3 o'clock. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye for now.